Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Traverse LT, stock number Z7453A. 60,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. This Traverse seats 7 with a cloth interior, bucket seats in the middle row, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. That is, of course, where the backup camera displays, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the center console, along with a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.